What's happening, fellas? Feast your eyes on this hunk of heavy metal here. V-twin 1400cc Suzuki Intruder. This is one of those once in a blue moon, lifelong love relationships. David Stankowski bought this bike brand new from Enfield Motorsports, and the only reason he parted with it is he left this world, if you know what I'm saying. He passed away. God rest his soul, rest in peace. This motorcycle was the focus of his passion and desire, and he kept it in his house. And if you look closely, you can see it's in freaking fantastic condition. Has some nice tasty upgrades on it. It's got the dual exhaust on here with the turnout fishtail mufflers. He's got the massive Metzler 170/80 15 rear tire. The mechanic himself is sitting right over there. He gave this thing a super tune. This is a twin carb. He rebuilt and tuned both the carbs, synchronized them, changed all the fluids, the engine oil, the hydraulic brake fluid on the front brakes, and went to get through it, gave it a clean bill of health. It's got a Metzler Marathon front tire on it too. Beautiful set of tires, the brakes, the paint job is beautiful. Like I said, one owner, he bought it brand new and kept it pristine. And you look at the black and gold Suzuki logo. These bikes are good for 100,000 miles. They're virtually maintenance free. Just change the oil and keep fresh fuel in them. It's got a shaft drive, so you don't have to worry about a messy chain or a belt. And the valves are hydraulically adjusted, so there's no valve adjustment. So it's got a brand new battery in it. Like I said, new tires, custom exhaust. This is the original factory saddle on this thing. Look at this thing. It's a 1988. That makes it, what, 35 years old? And the saddle looks like it just came out of the box, brand new. You got the Manic Mechanic seal of approval, and Jeff's a high performance, Manic Mechanic is a high performance 4-cylinder superbike engine builder, but he loved this thing. He was like, this is a kick-ass machine, and if he was gonna get a cruiser, he would buy this. And I gotta say, this one's a diamond. Going to perfection. Listen to this thing. Stone cold. Fires right up. Miles, one owner since new, never been dropped. Obviously, David lavished this with lots of care and attention for 35 years, 3.5 decades before he passed away. My job is to find it a forever home. We're taking applications now at eBay. Made the high bidder win. Good luck bidding on it. God bless America.